All right, our first video that we're gonna work on is for arms. We're gonna use our free weights for these 3 basic exercises. The number one thing that I wanna stress is not using too heavy of weights and making sure you're really keeping your core stable. We're not gonna wanna use any motion from our back or any type of momentum to lift the weights up. If the weights are too heavy and you're having trouble do that, always start with the lower weight, go down, and then work your way up. First exercise we're gonna do is a basic arm curl. So we're gonna start with our legs slightly bent, arms down, chest lifted, and we're gonna bring the weight up, reach it, hold it, lower it down nice and controlled and slow. You're gonna just alternate that for about 10 to 12 on each arm. Our next set that we're gonna do is what I like to call a cross hammer curl. Your arms are gonna stay down, you're gonna cross, reach it up, trying to reach up towards the shoulder, weight straight up, lowering it down nice and slow and controlled. Again, trying to make sure you're not using any momentum to lift up, keeping your legs bent, core nice and strong. Between each set, you want to maybe take a little bit of a breather, 15 to 30 seconds just to rest between. Making sure, again, if you're feeling like the weights are too heavy, go to a lower weight and then again, build up as you go. Sometimes you can alternate, do heavier weights some days, lighter weights and add more reps. If you go with a lighter weight, you can do 15 reps per set, opposed to maybe a heavier weight, you might only be able to do 10 or 12. Last exercise for this is our basic hammer curl. Similar, keeping that same feeling of up fast and then slow and controlled coming down. So there's our first 3 sets of arm exercises, your basic curl, your cross, and your hammer curl. I would suggest doing about 3 sets of each of these, taking a short breather between about 15 to 30 seconds before moving on to the next. Again, you can alternate your weight from going to lighter, maybe doing more repetition and less weight, or doing heavier weight and then doing fewer in the reps. Thanks.